Okay, so here you can see, like I said, the contents of the drawer. I have yet to find a diamond earring or anything remotely close in any of my old furniture, so who knows, maybe today's the one time it might happen. The inside of the cabinet, as you can see, has had water damage, so I need to peel off the old veneer and get rid of that, and I think I'm going to add wallpaper inside so it will look pretty neat. But let me show you. The top is beautiful, and the detail here again is really pretty. It's going to come out really nicely with paint. Sorry, I'm trying to get the camera focused for you, but the whole thing needs a good clean. Obviously the feet are gross. The whole thing needs some serious help, but we are here to give it that, and it's going to look gorgeous when we're done.